Hey, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Adam.
Strawberries for Smiles is the simple idea of giving boxes of fruit and supplies to the homeless as you walk to work. Our vision is to enable people who want to make a difference with the tools to do so.
And we want to recruit you, the type of person who believes in spreading hope to those less fortunate and laying on the street, to let them know that they're not invisible.
There's actually many ways you can help. The number one way is by helping us make boxes. A box maker follows our website instructions to order empty boxes. Use a printer to affix a label to each lid. Then stick your favorite challenge to the underside of the lid. Once you have a bunch of boxes made, you could fill them in yourselves, but another valuable thing you can do is to print some instructions and you can give them to anyone. Give them to your best friends, your co-workers, your dance group, anyone who might feel great about themselves by contributing.
If your box giver setup is as so, the instructions suggest what to put inside. I like to start with a sheet of paper towels, a couple of pieces of fruit, and signature strawberries. For someone that rarely eats healthy, that is already plenty, but if you want to give supplies too, there's a bunch of helpful things that you can buy from the nearest dollar store, or you might find spares around the house. I will add in socks, these are extremely helpful, wet wipes, lip balms, and sometimes a comb. And you're done.
Now, for the giving of the box, employ common sense. Only approach someone who looks like they would appreciate a box. If you're nervous, you can also leave a box beside someone sleeping so they have something wonderful to wake up to. We hope this empowers you to make a change and get other people involved. You can make a huge difference just by being friendly and helping humanize the less fortunate. Our hope is that this simple act of kindness may help send a ripple effect across your city.
Thanks for watching.